Alright, so I get this pipe is notched. I'm using this to go as a cross member to the wheelie bars. So I get that cross member all welded in there. Looks pretty good. Tires are mounted back on. And I'm looking at the seat bracket here, trying to figure out how to put some weights up there and secure them so that they won't come off during the pull. Alright, so today I've been trying to figure out how to run my weights underneath the seat. And I ran into a couple snags. I think I came up with a solution. But these are the weights I normally run. Homemade suitcase weights. I just go right there on the angle iron. And I'm able to move those up to the front if I want to in the back. I can put this on any of my other tractors. So basically what's happening is with these weights back here, I need to adjust that one a little bit to fit the heavier angle iron I got in the back of this one. So I got these two on there, right? If I was to take one of these, put it in the seat, you can see it sits on top of these weights. I didn't really want that because I don't want to unload this to change these weights. So that was an issue I was having. Second issue I was having is I had no real way of keeping these from hitting the tires. They can move around while you're pulling. You want your weight secure. So I had that issue too. So what I decided to do was I'm not going to run these weights up there. I don't really have all that much room back there. So what I was going to do is this here is a seat bracket that holds the seat up. Makes a nice little tool tray for stock tractor. So that goes there. Like I said, it holds the seat up. And I grabbed some of my cutting edges for plows. I had a couple scrap ones laying around. What I did was I cut a few of them so that they would fit inside this little box. They sit right in there. And what I did was I just threw a couple tacks on there. I know my welder's not nearly strong enough to be able to weld these up. However, it was enough to make these hold as one piece. But structurally that's not strong, but it's enough where those weights aren't going nowhere. So that was my solution for under the seat. I had to get a couple more of these weights for the back, which I had a few of them laying around. And next I was going to plan on putting a front rack on this. So I'm probably going to come off the frame back here, probably use some of those bolts and have a arm coming out the front. I also got to get this thing wired up and running.